Okay, so in this video, we're going to see how to create a QSpin project with the SAME54 motor control DIMM. So we'll create a new project. We'll select the SAME54P20A. We'll select the tool, and then we'll select XE42 compiler. After doing that, we'll select the project name, and we will need to create a folder before that of where we'll want the project to be. So we'll have created a new blank folder prior to this, and then we'll select it and input the name of the project. After that, we'll keep selected OpenMCC on Finish and click Finish. After clicking on Finish, we'll wait for Harmony to open up, so the code configurator. After it opens it up, we'll want to be sure that we have all the right plugins and drivers installed in this code configurator instance. So we'll click in Content Manager close to the device resources. The Content Manager we open, we'll select Load Manifest, and we'll select the suggested manifest file with the correct drivers for QSpin. After that's done, we'll be able to click on Apply, and then the code configurator will open again with the right drivers. Remember that if you have warnings, just ignore them if you selected the correct manifest file to load. After that's done, we will be in the code configurator window, and in the top plugins section, we'll click in QSpin. After clicking that, a new window will open up, which will be the QSpin UI. Since I'm working in two screens, this window opened in a second screen, which you'll see now. After that, some pop-ups will show up asking us to confirm to add certain drivers, and we'll click yes. And we'll start to see the code configurator window starting to get populated. After that, in quick settings, we'll select the motor, so the ACT motor, and the development board, the MCLV-48V-300W. We'll click yes for all the other drivers that have to be loaded. And after doing that, our default setup will be ready, and we'll be able to see also in Harmony that all the different drivers are connected correctly and are populated. With this setup, we can already generate the code and test the example application code. So we'll do that now. So we'll generate the code and then we'll load it to the board. After that, we can connect to SOC scope and see how well the controller algorithm is working. As we can see, the controller algorithm is quite slow, so it goes from open loop to closed loop in 10 seconds. So we can do some changes. So we go back to QSpin and we can change all the different tabs in the GUI of QSpin. So we'll start by changing some values for the start hub configurator and also changing the velocity command. So from a ramp, we'll go to a step command. Of course, if you want to improve the algorithm even more, you can play with all these variables, change the PI controllers, the PI variables for the current controller and speed controller, and try with different algorithms that QSpin provides you with. Other than that, of course, you can always go in the code since it's human readable and modify certain variables or certain parameters that you want to have different behaviors. With this short tutorial is over, and enjoy playing with QSpin. Thank you.